Now we go 301, gets the ball. He goes up for the shot. Air ball. Hello everybody, this is Cheese Puff Man and welcome to Nature number 4, I presume. I don't know. Okay, so I'm here with Night and go 301. Today we're gonna play some basketball. Air ball again. So when I get my turn to shoot, which is now, you okay, Nightwing? Nightwing is home. This is the exciting first part of the video. Nightwing, can you get up and hold the camera, please? Okay, guys, I'm gonna set up the camera.
I was kind of hitting the balls with the basketball.
Yeah, that really had to hurt.
Dude, what are you doing?
I ain't gonna hold it.
Okay. They need to see the goal.
Go. Okay. Since Nightman Go 301 is so lazy, you guys won't be able to see the shot. So, you know what? I'm taking a risk. Okay, so the button is pressed. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Guys, you ready for this? Dude, that could be... Okay, Kane's just sticking on some music. Ready? See if I can make it one-handed. Oh! One-handed! Oh! Alright, let's see if he can top that. I just freaking did that with one hand. I'm not. Which hold it.
We'll see if I can get nothing but that.
Swish. See if you can swish it. That was close.
Freaking hate you!
Hey! Don't take it out on the basketball! I'm shot! Let's see if he can make it! It didn't even get close.
We'll try again.
Alright, he's gonna try the run-up shot. I'll tell you guys when he... Here he comes! Here he goes! I'm just gonna probably cut that out and make it look like that he finally made it. So, here, let me try. Let me see it. Come on.
I'm gonna ring it.
He's gonna get this shot. He can get this. Ah! Alright, you guys didn't see that. It was so close. Look at my awesome dancing. Alright, so you guys, please check out all of the YouTube channels people I'm friends with. Later on today, maybe we can go to my house and we may be posting some Halo missions. God, it's cold out here. Maybe posting some Halo games, maybe even Injustice. So let's see if Nightwing Go 301 can finally make this shot. God, it's cold. I know I haven't, wow. You guys didn't see the ball go up there yet, have you? Oh, that time he did. Whoa, you freaking karate kicked that. Alright, so I haven't did no videos in a long time because it's Christmas. And I just haven't felt like it. So. Oh! Here's his song! He can make this one! He got this! Oh! 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 Nightwing. This is how you do a backward shot. So you walk up to the goal, you turn around, and you walk forward backwards, and then you just go. You just throw it backwards, you know?
Yeah, I do it. Rocket!
I guess we lost the ball. I'll be back when we go get it. Hey guys, we're back. We finally got the ball. Woo! You guys should see him play Geometry Dash. Really should.
Ah! Let's go in.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video.
No, it's not.
See you guys later. Bye.